Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! And this is Marlene of MLS Crochet Dreams. For today's video, I will show you 2 ways of crochet stitches of having a Earsaver strap or ear protector strap. This is the first one, the 10 inches long. And this is the second one, the 6 inches long. These two gives us a daily accessories for today's pandemic crisis. And later on, I will show you how to make this two simple and elegant Earsaver strap. See you! For today's video, I will show you how to make another stitches of Earsaver or ear protector strap for our frontliners. But first, I will demonstrate how to use these Earsavers. The first one is the 6 inches. Just insert your string for the both sides of our Earsaver. This is the second one, the 10 inches. Just insert the button to our loop. This one that I make is a freestyle pattern. These two Earsavers will give us our daily accessories for this pandemic crisis. So I suggest everyone should have this, especially to our frontliners. So let's start. This is our materials, our thread, buttons, hook. My hook is 2.5mm, scissors, tape measure, and a yarn needle. Because I have already done the color of pink for the 6 inches and green for the 10 inches, we will do the pink for 10 inches and the next one is the green for 6 inches. So let's start. We have to make a slip knot. This is how I make my slip knot. Make a pretzel, then get the yarn, then pull up upward. Then make a chain of 4. Then count 4 from our hook. Then we will do 4 double crochet in the same stitch. The first 4 chains that we did is considered as the first double crochet. So if you count this, the total of our double crochet is 5. Then after that, after you did the 4 double crochet, now you can turn your work. Then we will do the other side of our row. Then skip the first stitch. Then we will do under the second stitch. Then we will repeat the process of
double crochet. Now we will do the 5 times of double crochet in the same stitch. As you can see, you can now form a semi-heart as a cute design for our ear saver. It seems like a complex stitch, but it's not. You just need to do 5 double crochet in one stitch. Then turn your work, then repeat the process. Just do 5 double crochet, then turn your work and repeat it again. Turn, then skip the first stitch and we will do under the second stitch. Just repeat the process. Make a 5 double crochet in one stitch. Then we will do this until we reach the 10 inches long of our Earsavers. Now let's check the length of our Earsaver. If we reach the 10 inches, so we have to add another rows for this. Then let's check it again. That's it. We have 10 inches for our first Earsaver. Then now we will do 8 chains for the loop. Then make a slip stitch on the other side of our Earsaver. Just count 3, then make a slip stitch there. Then continue to other side of our Earsaver just to secure our stitches. Then now you can fasten off your yarn. Then just to hide our yarn, I will make a hand sewing. Just like that. Just to make sure that our receiver is safe and secure. Then now we will attach our button. And that's it. We have our 10 inches Earsaver for our pink. Insert your button to our loop and you have your Earsaver. Then we will do the second Earsaver for 6 inches for green color. So we will do again a slip knot. Then we will repeat the process like that we did on the 10 inches. Just chain of 4, then count 4 from our hook. Then we will do 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Then after that, turn your work. Then skip the first stitch and we will work under the second stitch. We'll just repeat the process. We will do 5 double crochet in the same stitch. This is easy when you get the pattern. Just do 4 double crochet in the first row, then turn your work, then skip the first stitch, then work on the second stitch and make 5 double crochet. Then we will repeat this process until we reach the 6 inches. Then let's check the length of our earsaver. So we have to make another row. The difference of this earsaver to the first one that we did is we will not do a chain for a loop. Just we have only we need this to lock this earsaver. Then fasten off your yarn. And just to secure our stitch to our earsaver, hide your excess yarn or cut your yarn, but make sure that your stitches is secure. That is 6 inches. So after this, we will attach our buttons for the both sides of our earsaver. So let's attach the buttons. And that's it. We have our green earsaver using 2 buttons on the both sides. We have our pink and green earsavers. And this is our 10 inches for green and the pink one. I hope you enjoy and learned how to make an earsavers using these stitches. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. See you on my next video and thank you for watching. Bye!